Hey, it's us again in the car. So I angle myself so we can be seen. And it's officially summertime. Do you know how you can tell it's summertime? It's got nothing to do with the heat. It's got nothing to do with how hot it is outside. It's got to do with the fact that Mountain Dew has released their summertime flavor. Well, not just one summertime flavor this year. Not just 2 summertime flavors this year, but 3 summertime flavors this year. Because red, white, and blue makes a monkey out of you. And your McDonald's French fry. So, which should we try first? Should we go for broke and try the Freedom Fusion, which is lemonade and peach? And we already know we're not going to be fans of it because we were not fans of the KFC honey peach. Besides, you need to drink something with all that McDonald's you're eating.
It's not that cold.
I know, they weren't in the refrigerator at the store. What are oopsing for?
I took the whole entire cap off.
Oh, that's okay.
It smells funny.
Let's see, what does it smell like? It smells like peach. Doesn't even smell like lemonade, it smells like peach. You got that on camera. No. I don't need the cap on there. Oh, yeah. Once the peach hits. No. Ugh. Yuck. No, thank you. Next up. Star Spangled Splash. And all it says on here is red berry flavor. There's a lot of red berries. There's strawberry. There's raspberry. There's schnozberry.
It smells like raspberry.
It smells good. I do like the smell. No, not a fan. I like it. That's good. That's actually a pretty decent flavor. Definitely better than the peach. Now for Liberty Chill. Where Liberty Chill says it is 50 flavors in one. So from my understanding, it's a representative of each state for flavors. And I think they've done this before, but they gave it a different name last time.
I don't know how to describe it.
Smells like the garbage of New York City, churros of Disney, popcorn of Hollywood. No, because that would be 2 different states. One state. No. No, look at that face.
It tastes like medicine.
Yeah. I don't taste medicine. That's your second burp of the video. You've met your burp quota. I can't really describe the taste of that one. So, I'm going to say Star Spangled Splash is definitely my favorite. Did you have a favorite or no?
No, they all tasted funky.
Yeah. So, all right, I'm going to definitely say Star Spangled Splash. Then I'll go with Liberty Chill. But, yeah. In the words of Team America, freedom isn't free, because Freedom Fusion, no. You're going in the garbage.